What role does emotional intelligence play in successful selling?
Okay, I would like to take a step back here, Priya, and maybe because a lot of students here, you might not even know that there are different kind of sales. We have been talking about sales a lot, but what you should know is that there are different kind of sales roles or sales opportunities. One is B2C and one is B2B. B2C, which is business to consumer. For example, you go to a lifestyle store and you pick up a nice t-shirt for yourself, or you go to Starbucks and you ordered an iced coffee for yourself, something which a consumer is being directly in touch with the business, and a transaction is made between the consumer and the business, is B2C. However, B2B is when two businesses are involved, right? So for example, you are in your college, right? And for example, you're using a furniture, there is a desk and there is a chair. Now the company who have provided that furniture to your college is basically dealing with the college directly, which is a business in itself. So how a B2B business work and how a B2C business work is very different. In B2C, a lot many times हम एक डिसीजन लेते हैं बेस्ड ऑन इमोशंस, अरे कुछ अच्छा लगा चलो उसको खरीद लेते हैं, अरे आज मोमोज खाने का मन है इसको खा लेते हैं, अभी ट्रेंड में चल रहे हैं क्रॉप टॉप्स इसको खरीद लेते हैं. बट B2B business will never be done by any emotions only. So what does it mean is B2B में हमेशा एक ROI देखा जाएगा. If I make this investment, how it is going to benefit the business. इससे क्या कोई कॉस्ट कटिंग होगा, या इससे हमारी प्रोडक्टिविटी इंक्रीज होगी, या इससे हमारे मे बी एम्प्लॉयज़ का मोटिवेशन बढ़ेगा. सो देर हैज़ टू बी सम काइंड ऑफ ROI. However, having said that, if you want to do great in sales, you really need to understand the emotions, that emotions of the buyer. No two buyers behave the same. So if you are good with reading the emotions, you are good with reading the room, key what will work here, what will not work here. It is going to be really beneficial, especially for females who are very scared to enter sales. I think we are blessed with being high on EQ side, also the IQ. So that way, I think when females get into this career, we look beyond transactions. We focus more on relationship building, solving a problem. And even if being a guy, being a male, you have that quality that you can bring the emotional part into your sales process. That's a blessing to have.